She's the kind of lady that calls everybody baby. Honey, sugar, sweetie, she's always making friends as she keeps us all locked outside her thick leather skip. She always starts with a smile. It's smiling butter yellow, but easier than a handshake. She doesn't like her hands touched. She tans a lot, gets burned a lot, smoking to the carton spinning. It's put out so much he's considered a bargain. She was born on the 4th of July with her hand on her heart. Loves America and being patronized. No one ever told her to guard her heart. Well, she was an angel for Halloween once, but never again. And for Christmas every year, she's haunted by demons. They always tell her they love her. Innocence until she lost it. Spent a long summer riding the train. She has her cats and collectors, pipes to keep her sane, watching TV in her favorite chair, both of which are rented. She's alone and she surrounds herself with loners. Her life is alone without anyone who'll own her, waiting for the night to sweep her off her feet while she mops the bathroom floor, hoping for a winning ticket or a man to treat her right. But they're both a gamble and she's been a loser all her life. And if she had a nickel for every time she's been punched and kicked, she put it together with her camel cash. She had to buy some happiness. They always tell her they love her, but then they take something from her. Well, her dreams. They were crumpled up like bees from holding on too tight, scattered in her shoebox, coffin on the cardboard walls covered in butterflies. She's got